Good morning, fifth graders. I hope that you had a great break, and today we will continue the project in Scratch. So go to SIGTech, and in SIGTech you will find the links that we will use today. Please go to the first one, that is Scratch. Then in the corner, please go to Sign In. You will find the list of emails, and in the same link of the list of emails, your users. For example, Dani Valdesoni 5A will find her email, her user over here. So come to see it and then write it here. So I already have it here, and the password is private. You are the only ones who know it. Okay? Then sign in. If you remember this project, we did it in class. So you will go to the corner where you see your user, click it, and go to My Stuff. This is to see the projects that we already did in class. So projects that you saved before. And the one that says Picture Passion is the one that you have to open. Yes, so click it and open it. When you open it, you will be able to see the project that you did that day in class with me. Click and see inside in order to open it and continue the project. Yes? So the first thing that you had to do was to select a character. So you will go to the cat plus sign and decide what character do you want to have in your project. Yes, for example, if you really like to play baseball, if you enjoy dancing or being a ballerina, if what else? Other things that could be your passion. If you love to dance, you could use that one. I will select this one. And this is my character. Also, in the add-on number 1, you will make this character to speak. And in the add-on number 2, you will make this program or project to have sound effects. All right? So the selection of your character is important. Always go to, let me move this, File, Save Now to continue saving the project activities that you make so that the changes are saved all the time and you don't have to do it all over again next time. Yes? So the instructions in CISO say, move myself again, there. And so when you go to Scratch, you put your username and passwords. Later, continue advancing in Picture Passion project. Remember that we started this in class. Also, there are two add-ons that you have to work on. The first one is to add the titles or the text, and the second one to add sounds. So click in the first video, please, to learn again, because we already watched this in class, but to do it again. So you will play it to. You will have a very picture of you will listen to it. Others are together. You can pause to ask. So continue watching the video, but basically what you've got to do is to go to events, the one in yellow because the other one is orange. Select one green flag clicked, then go to books and add some save blocks of what do you want this dancer to say. So for example, say hello, add another one that says, how are you? And all of the long conversation that you want to have. When you play in the green flag, this is the instruction that the event says, that when you play the green flag, it's going to appear. You see, how are you? And the rest of the things you ask your character to say. Yes. And the second add-on, come back to CISO, open the second video to watch. Others understand how to feel. Generally, at the end, you are able to see what is the instruction they ask you to do. When this sprite clicked, what sound do you want it to have? So return to here, and when the sprite is clicked, what is a sprite? The card. Then go to sounds and play the sound dance. You want to look for other sounds? Go to sounds over here and make sure that you find the sounds that this video, this sprite has. Yes. So when you click here,